Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Cash App won't let me send Bitcoin problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Cash App app on your phone. But before that, make sure to check out whether your app is updated or not. For that, go ahead, go to your app store, type in Cash App and check out if it asks for update or not. Because if it does, then that could be one of the reasons why your app has been acting up and giving you the errors regarding all the issues, including sending Bitcoin as well. Now once you've done that, if that doesn't help you as well, go ahead, open up your Cash App, tap on profile icon given on top right corner, tap on support, tap on something else as highlighted, tap on Cash Card from the options, tap on contact support at the bottom, tap on not about a transaction, and there you will be able to chat with the official support. Go ahead, type in the message regarding that you're not being able to send Bitcoin regardless of completing all the process and verifying yourself from the transaction and purchasing before as well, and you have not even violated any of the guidelines and you are not being able to do so. Please help me out, and that is the only way for you to get the help from Cash App support itself to solve that particular problem. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.